short-term traders. On last Tuesday, everything was negative and we had seen a gap down opening around 10,350 mark in the Nifty. But in today's Tuesday's trading session, we had managed to close the session above 10,900 mark. So very smart recovery in last 1 week from the lower levels has been seen on the index. And the good thing is that this entire up move in last 1 week has been supported by a broad market participation, wherein most of the sectors have participated in this up move. Now, in last couple of trading sessions, the Nifty index has managed to hold on with positive gains in spite of the negative cues from the US markets. So this is another positive sign that we are rubbing off the global negative effect and continuing the positive momentum that we had seen in last few trading sessions. Yesterday, after opening gap up, we had seen that that gap area has acted as a support in today's trading session. After trading in a narrow range for most part of the session, the second half of the day was quite encouraging. Post noon, we saw some positive momentum picking up, and by the end of the session, the index rallied higher to end with marginal gains about 10,900. Now, what is interesting is the Bank Nifty chart. The Bank Nifty has given a breakout above its recent swing low, which was formed on the 3rd of December, around 27,030 or 27,040 mark. In today's trading session, most of the index heavyweights from the private sector banks showed a positive move, which was supported by good volumes, and this has led to a good closing in the Bank Nifty index above 27,100 mark. So going ahead, we are expecting this positive momentum to continue since there are no signs of reversal on the charts on the Nifty or the Bank Nifty. Certain stocks from the banking and the financial space could show some outperformance in next few days. Another sector that we would like to highlight on is the Nifty Midcap Index. The Nifty Midcap 100 Index has been undergoing a consolidation phase since last 1.5 months. Now, there are initial signs of a breakout from the higher end of that consolidation phase, which is around 17,700 to 17,750 range. Now, this also coincides with the 89 EMA on the daily chart, which has not been breached since the last few months. Now, a breakout above this 17,750 should lead to a positive momentum in many of the mid-cap names as well. Even in today's trading session, we had seen a good volumes flowing in some of the mid-cap names. So short-term traders should watch out for these two sectors. One is the banking and the financial space, and second is the mid-cap space. So traders, be ready for the center rally, which we usually see during the last half of the December, wherein many stocks from the mid-cap space shows very good positive momentum and can tend to give good returns in short term. Traders are advised to trade with a positive bias till Nifty is holding 10,750 mark for target above 11,050 to 11,100 range. Thank you.